Here's what the Bondo looks like as it's drying in these grooves, and you will notice that it is not 100% perfect. But I have a quick and easy way to make it seamless, and I'll share that right now with you. What I do is I use a wood filler that's very soft and easy to sand, and I apply it over the Bondo to fill in all the little nicks and little places that might have been missed, if there's any little bubbles. And this Dixie Belle mud is super easy to sand and a super soft wood filler. So I find it ideal. You could use any wood filler to top this off, to top the Bondo off, but this one is exceptional in my opinion. I like using this wood filler even before I sand the Bondo down because it just saves me a step of sanding actually. But if you prefer, you can sand the Bondo down nice and smooth and then go ahead and apply the wood filler on top just in the areas where you see there might need a little bit of touching up. This could save you some product for sure. But I have a good few jars of this Dixie Belle mud. I'm not really worried about saving the product. I'm just worried about getting the seamless finish. So I go over the entire thing. And here's a close-up of how it looks after it's filled. You'll see that the Bondo is a different color than the white wood fill, but you see all those little specks of white is where it filled in all the little nooks and crannies and little details that needed filling, and it really does a good job when you use both.